Here's an example of a real-world use for ARPortfolio. Let's say you work for a company that makes an aftermarket upgrade for freezer ice makers. Since it requires rewiring some things, your customers are hesitant to install it themselves. You could make an augmented reality app with ARPortfolio that identifies each part and tells them where wires need to go and in what order. This way, the user doesn't have to look through manuals trying to match up drawings to the real-world counterparts and worrying that they're doing the wrong thing to the wrong part. With image markers, you can attach notes to objects in augmented reality, even on items you don't physically have access to. Image markers are based on an image, so when your app sees that image, it shows whatever you want it to show aligned to that image. This is an example of something that could be done easier, cheaper, and better in augmented reality than in a traditional printed manual. Updates would be pushed to the phone, they wouldn't have to look anything up, and the instructions would always be accurate because they would only match the part they're looking at. This app took about 5 minutes to make, and detailed instructions will be included in the ARPortfolio 1.5 update.